Hello everybody, welcome to the market views update for 11th July 2018 from Brokerage Free. Let's have a look at the important points from yesterday's trading session. Markets ended on a bullish note. Foreign institutional investors sold shares worth about rupees 20 crores. Domestic investors bought shares worth about 293 crores. The markets, Nifty especially, closed at a 5-month high. The market formed a strong bullish candle on the daily charts. We'll see that a little bit later. Let's have a quick look at Nifty. Nifty opened at 10,902 and closed at 10,947. Nifty made an intraday high of 10,956 and Nifty made a low of 10,876. The markets swung by about 80 points. The markets closed by about 94 points up. Support levels at this point of time for Nifty is around 10,899 and 10,849. Resistance levels are at around 10,974 and 11,004. Bank Nifty support levels at this point of time is around 26,806 and 26,713. Bank Nifty resistance levels are at around 26,960 and 27,028. Let's have a look at the strong bullish candle. This is the daily chart for Nifty. As you can see, the last 3 days, if Nifty has been on a bullish mode. 3 days ago, the Nifty opened at around 10,744 and closed around 772. And the next day, which is yesterday, Nifty opened at 10,838 and it closed at 10,852, and it also had a high and low which is 860 and 807, 807 and 860. And yesterday, if you can see, the markets actually opened much higher at 10,902 and closed at 10,947. It reached a high of 10,956 and had a low of about 10,874. So this basically indicates a very strong bullish momentum, and this is a strong bullish candle that we observed for yesterday. Let's have a look at the list of stocks in the long build-up. Long build-up happens when people open long positions, because of which the price increases and the open interest also increases. We have two bank stocks, ICICI Bank and HDFC Bank, with a change in open interest of 4.77% for ICICI Bank and a change in open interest of 3.89% for HDFC Bank. The other notable stocks include Eicher Motors, with a change in price of about 2.38%, which is about 656 rupees, which is very significant. And we have GAIL, which has a percentage change of about 4.76%, which is also very significant. We have Wipro also in this list. We have Tata Steel in this list with a very good change in open interest. So if you're trading in these stocks, please take note that people are opening long positions in these stocks. In long unwinding, we have two stocks above 2%, which is Larsen & Toubro and Hindustan Unilever. However, the change in prices for all of these stocks seems to be not very significant. We have three oil stocks here, Bharat Petroleum, Hindustan Petroleum, as well as Indian Oil Corporation, all of them appearing in this list as long unwinding. And though their change in open interest is about 1.72 and 1.55 and 0.6, their change in price is actually not very much, except for Hindustan Petroleum, which has about 1.63% change in its price. So if you're trading in these stocks, please take note that people are exiting long positions in these stocks. Short build-up happens when people open short positions, and because of which the price goes down but the open interest increases. We have IndusInd Bank, which has a change of open interest of about 9.54%, which is very significant, and change in price of about 1.18%, which is 23.2 rupees. We also have Tata Consultancy Services with a change in open interest of 7.2%, but the change in price seems to be marginal. We have Lupin also appearing on this list, but these are the stocks where people are opening stock positions. So if you're trading with them, please take note of them. Short covering happens when people who open short positions, they start closing them. So we have HCL Technologies, which has a change in open interest of about 5.56% and a change in percentage price of about 1.87%, which is 18 rupees. We have three more stocks with a change in open interest above 3%, which is Bharati Infratel, Reliance Industries, Hindalco Industries Limited. We also have Asian Paints. Yes Bank, Tech Mahindra on this list. So these are the stocks that we have for short covering. So if you're trading in these stocks, please take note that people are exiting the short positions. Let's have a look at the world markets. The American markets were largely positive. Dow Jones was up by 0.58, S&P 500 up by 0.35, and Canada up by 0.68. Mexico, Brazil, and Chile were all on the negative side with about 0.5, 0.2, 0.04% respectively. The European markets had a largely positive day. England was up by 0.05, Europe up by 0.58, France up by 0.67, Germany up by 0.53, and Switzerland up by 0.1%. The Asian markets were mixed as of yesterday. Japan was down by 1.57, Hong Kong down by 1.57, and China down by 1.49%. This shift largely could be attributed to the uncertainty around the trade wars tariff wars between the US and China. Mumbai Sensex and NSE Nifty had a very good day yesterday, up by about 0.85% and 0.87% respectively. At the time of preparing this report, Singapore Nifty was down by 26.5 points, which is about 0.24%. If this is to give any indication, the markets may open at around the same range or marginally a bit lower. Thank you for watching this edition of Market Views Update from Brokerage Free. Invest wisely for a better future. Good luck with your trades. Thank you.